Lovukazi emakhosikazi bantu babenkosi Ndvunankhulu emabandla ekweluleka tikhulu lijaji lelikhulu lisekela landvunankhulu tindvuna tembuso labamele emave kuleli lobukwesigodzi salapha kaManzini timenyo letibalulekile nanonke bekunene lo bokwemasotsha nawo onke emarenki nanonke masotsha sinivusela kakhulu masotsha.
Your Majesty the Indlovukazi, Emakhosikazi, the Royal Highnesses, Prime Minister, Councillors, Chiefs, Chief Justice, Deputy Prime Minister, Cabinet Ministers, Excellencies, members of the Diplomatic Corps, Regional Administrator for the Manzini region, Army Commander, USDF officers and other ranks, defense attaches present here today, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we greet you all here at Nogwane.
Masotsha namuhla sibuthene lapha enokwane la khona sitokupha khona lusuku lwemasotsha lokuhlanganisa emashumi lasihlanu nakuthathu solo emasotsha abonalisa ukuthi abuthwa evele masotsha.
Today we are gathered here to celebrate the 53rd Army Day, to recognize the establishment of the force since they were established.
Langeni lelinjena si mukela nonke bekunene eleni khona lapha nalababuya ngaphandle ngakithi nawo sotsha labuya ngaphandle kuleli ku region nalabuya ngesheya kwetilwandle la khona lamkhathiseni wethu ukuthi nonke nebatali netihlobo netivelene emukelekile elangeni lelihle bekunene.
We extend a gracious and warm welcome to all you present today, including those who have traveled far and wide from outside our borders, including those from the military in the region, and of course those who have traveled even from overseas, including the parents, relatives, for those here today. We are most welcome.
Masotsha leli lilanga lenu lilanga lemasotsha la khona nito khombisa busotsha benu njobe masotsha abangiwola laba bonalisa ukuthi abangiwola buke live inhlala kahle yelive nesive sonke kangwane ukuthi bonke bantu imisebenzi eveni ihleli itindile isebenta kahle bekunene.
Today being your day, we are here to honor you, to acknowledge the good work that you do as you serve the nation, making sure that you are out there, ensuring that there is peace, there is stability in all areas of our communities, including those in the businesses and in other welfare issues, with you ensuring that this is done in a way that ensures that Eswatini is a peaceful nation growing in more bounds.
Masotsha siyatine umsebenzi wenu lenwendako wekuthi u24/7 akunasikhathi ukuthi simo sinjani, kungaba kuyabanza, kungaba kuyashisa, kungaba kumakhata, kepha esikhathini sonke umsebenzi wenu ubhekekile ukuthi kube the second la khona umsebenzi wenu ningawendi ngesigaba lesifanele emasotsha.
We are very much cognizant of the fact that your work is one that is very demanding, sometimes calling you to work under very enduring, harsh conditions, sometimes in blistering seasons and weather conditions. But at all times, you are expected to be present 24/7, ensuring that you execute the mandate that is given to you for the nation.
Umsebenzi webusotsha ke siwathi sonke ukuthi nabasebenta emsebentini welive imisebenzi yabo inebuhle inebulukhuni ngesikhathi sonke kepha ke emasotsha ayafundziswa ukuthi noma lesimo ngasinjani noma ngasibita simo lesinjani empilweni niyawudinikela ngemandla onke ngalokufanele masotsha.
We are very much aware that as much as your work is such demanding, it is important that as you train, you are trained to be fit for purpose, ready for the work that you are assigned to do, and at all times be committed to do what is expected of you at all times.
Live lonke masotsha liyajabula ngemsebenzi nangekudimisela kwenu nangekuphakamisa lizinga lebusotsha ngoba la nisebenza khona nini kufuneka i-professionalism bonalisekwe ukuthi nibeke embili lapho nibonalisa ukuthi nisebenza khona la nisebente khona kube bede imibuto ukuthi ngabeke lapha bese nisebenza kanjani na.
The nation is proud of you because in the work that you're doing, we must see professionalism at all times. And it is important that as you work, you show proper work ethic so that it is not questionable of what you are doing in your service.
Njengemasotsha sive nasibona nini sifuneka sijabule esikhatheni sonke sitokwadi nekunilayela lokungahle kube umonakalo eveni bawuba nekunibambisa sive nakubonakala ukuthi emasotsha kubambisana nesive kusetulu kuseqopheleleni lelisetulu kakhulu sive nasibona nini sibone babe namake sibone lusito nasisibone nini emasotsha.
It is very important that as you work your work, working with the communities, and when they see you, they must find a reason to be safe and be able to communicate with you freely, knowing that they can also give you information that you need in the work that you are doing. So when they see you, they do not see an enemy, but they find solace and hope that they are safe with you.
Ngebusotsha niye nifundziswe tintfo letilikhuni kwenta tintfo letilikhuni leto tintfo leto lenifundziswa tona ukuthi ni defend sive hayi ukuthi nasofundziswe kumbe intfo letsite lebucili bese uyisebentisa kabi emkhatsisini wesive masotsha.
In your training as soldiers, you are taught many skills and certain things that you must be able to do. The expectation is that you use the skills to protect the nation and not use your skills and the things that you have learned against them or against anybody else.
Masotsha lembechi leni gabile inebumgqoka kabi umonakalo loya kwenteka kini ake awubonakala ukuthi wendiwe ngibani munye wenu nakenda lokungasiko kuyawureflecta ngiwo onke masotsha elive eSwatini ngakho ke kumgqoka ukuthi absolutely loyalty eveni nekuba nemaqiniso ukubamba tintfo ngemaqiniso nikubeke phambili emasotsha.
The uniform and badge that you wear, you must wear it with humility because it symbolizes the great work and responsibility that is assigned to you. It is therefore imperative that in all that you do, you show an ethic that is going to be very trustworthy amongst the people that you serve.
Lo kuthokotisako kutsi live liyajabula ngemsebenzi lenenda ngomasotsha ngoba liyabona ukuthi nisengakasebenzisi busoja ngebudlapha kepha esikhatsini sonke la ni conductor khona leyo msebenzi leyo ibonakale ukuthi ihambisana nemsebenzi wekuvikela lona live nesive masoja.
It is clear that the nation is happy with the work that you're doing. The expectation we have is that you must not do your work with any negligence. You must do your work in all honesty to ensure that you provide safety for everyone in the nation.
Ngako masoja uqhubeka ukuticecesha ngetemtimba ngetengqondo nangeke ukuthi nibuke impilo ngoba impilo ayimi ndzawonye impilo iyaqhubeka kuba netinto letinye letibonakala ukuthi labo lokhanzalisa ukuthi baphambana nemithetho batifundza nabo so nine ke esikhathini sonke kwekufundza ukuthi konke lenikwendako nikhanze ni up to date masoja.
It is important that in all the training that you do, it will cover a well-rounded approach, taking into account your health issues and also education that equips you into other skills. It is therefore important that you remain updated and equipped and relevant at all times.
Umsebenzi wenu kwemasoja kude ukuthi awubengathi ngiyenda kona i-excuse kude nekufeyila la nisebenza khona funana kubonakala ukuthi beniyawusebenza kubonakala ukuthi nibuya nemsebenzi losetshenzwe kahle futhi nalo impumelelo masoja.
In the work that is tasked with you, soldiers, there can be no excuses. There is no reason for failure. We expect only excellence.
Siyajabula ke ngoba ningemasoja nithi niyenda i-training yenu ngoba nembala impilo yemasoja ukuthi esikhathini sonke lesinyendi basicitse batrainer imtimba yabo itohlala kahle tingqondo tabo tihlale tikhaliphile tihlale ti-flexible ukuthi noma ngaqhamuka sibisimo nikhone usihandlisha leso simo masoja.
As you do your training, soldiers, at all times it is going to be very imperative that the training you do ensures that you are upskilling yourselves in fitness and in all other areas of your welfare, so that you remain of sound mind and ready to execute the duties assigned to you.
Masoja kulamalanga busoja akusasibo ukuthi na ulisoja live kuphela kulamalanga sekwaba ne ma organizations inhlangano njoba kunabo SADC kunabo AU kunabo United Nations lababonalisa ukuthi nesikhathi sonke kuhle kubitwa emasoja lena emaveni esigabeni sekutheni bayo participate babe ingcenye ma peacekeeping mission ukuthi ke busoja abusagcini nje kuphela ukuthi senifundza ngebusoja kugatsa live kepha sekufundwa ngekugatwa iAfrika nemhlaba wonke masoja.
Soldiers, you will be aware that your task is not only to serve just the nation. We are now working with other regional blocs and other forums, including the AU and the United Nations. Sometimes you will be called to service and participate in peacekeeping missions. The expectation is that you will rise to the occasion and protect not just Eswatini, but Africa, the region, and the world at large.
Masoja siyesithokote kuva ukuthi ngesikhathi sonke niyelithole nelithuba lekuyo sharisha experience nemasotsha ku SADC ku AU nasemhlabeni wonkana kuthi kushiyela naligwayi kuyinto lemqoka ngoba nandawo hamba nibe kuma operations nikube kanye kanye kumqoka kuthi nadane ukuthi nanisebenza ndawusebenza kanjani.
We are aware that at sometimes you do get opportunities that will place you in other stations, including SADC and the African Union, amongst others. It is therefore important that as you do these exchanges in these programs, you are able to get more knowledge and experiences to use in the work and in the line of duty as soldiers.
Masocha si yatike ukuthi nangu iyachubeka bo cyber security se kwa advance atinvo bu dwangdwange akusasibo nje lokhanzela sakwe ukuthi ngilese bu physical so khanzela sakwe ukuthi seku more artificial lokusho ukuthi ke nanani nifanele nithi equip ne training nangemfundo letawukhona ukuthi counteract leso simo leso lesingabonalisa ukuthi nakungena bo cyber security bonalise ukuthi nani nivele nisesigabeni lendawo khona kuhlangabetana naleso simo masotsha.
In the times that we live in, we are now faced with multifaceted kind of crimes and technologies that advance now in our space, where now we deal with cyber security issues and also some crimes that are not the normal abuse and violence we see physically. It is therefore important that you equip yourselves through training to ensure that you are able to counteract all these new challenges faced in these days.
Masocha kube injabulo enkulu kunibona langeni lanamuhla ne trillion leni performile nyalo yakomba sibili ukuthi ningemasotsha laqeqeshiwe la vele alungele ukuthi lapho asa nikwe khona umsebenzi wokuyovikela live nesive nivele nikwende ngamandla lamakhulu ngoba kuyabonakala ukuthi ne fitness solo nibeke embili kuma programs lenwendako masotsha.
We have been pleased to see your meticulous, tactical, and exceptional drills today. This shows that you are ready to go and protect the nation and ensure that your fitness is in fact on point. We are therefore encouraged by the fitness you have displayed today.
Logo njoba kutana lamasha nje masotsha atanjoyina nakata ukhanza nine lakankanze embili bonalise ukuthi nani bafundzisa ngefitness ukuthi lisotsha kuyini babone lapha kini kuqala ngoba ngeke ufundzise into longasiyo yona wena. So kumqoka ke ukuthi konke lento akufundzisa masotsha iexample iqale lapha kini ngamunye ngamunye nine nikhona masotsha.
As we'll be expecting new recruits to join you, we expect that you will be able to teach them, show them the level of fitness that is expected, and this they will see in you, and that we understand that you cannot teach what you are not. So they must see the fitness in you, and they'll be able to learn from you as they come to join you.
Masotsha siyesithokoze nasiva tindzaba ukuthi nakune ma disaster event ulamalanga lengcile nje bekune ma disaster ukuthi kunetikhukhula lena nalena sive lesinye asisakhoni kwewela kahle uye ngesheya kubonakala ke ukuthi ke nibambisene nelibandla le disaster management niyabambisana kakhulu nisebenza umsebenzi kukwadi ukuthi sive sithutheke ngendlela lesingiyo kona kubonakala ukuthi sewetwe siwelele ngesheya kwemfula siphephile babonge abantu ngoba lo mqoka ukuthi nine nibone ukuthi emakhaya bafika baphephile emasotsha.
In the recent times, we've experienced certain disasters where we experienced some overflooding in some areas and some disasters that occurred in different areas of the kingdom. However, we commend the collaboration you have executed in that you've been able to work with the National Disaster Management Agency in ensuring that you are quick in your response and ensuring that the nations or the people who need help are able to be helped and are able to get home safe as they would expect.
Ngako masotsha siyathemba ndawuqhubeka nato tonke tinhlelo letinhle tekubuka ukuthi nangabe live njengoba nyalo nje lidindile kubuka ukuthi kuphephisa sive nase kune leto tehlakalo yini ama safety measures ikakhulu nje nakufakwe ekhathi sigaba la khona ukhanzela sabe kubese kuba netikhukhula nine nibuke kokwakha emabloho labonalisako ukuthi angaba ngemabloho la ngakubonalisa ukuthi noma ngasikhukhula tinjani kuleyo ndzawo sive singahlupheki ngekwewela bese asisakhoni kufika kahle emakhaya masotsha.
We expect you to continue being innovative in ensuring that you find new ways of finding good and sustainable measures of fighting the disasters that we face, particularly with the floods that we see occurring nowadays. We hope that you'll be able to build bridges that will ensure that the nation is able to cross over to where they need to cross over and not be found stranded as the case may be. The citizens look up to you.
Masotsha kuye kuthokodise kuva imibiko lemihle ukuthi niyenakhe imitholampilo njengoba vele impilo yelisotsha ifuneka ihlale isesigabeni lesingiso kube bede compromise ukuthi aliphili kahle lisotsha lingaphili kahle kungonakala lokunyenti lisotsha lifuneka lihlale liphilile baye bangibikeleke nesive ukuthi imitholampilo leniyakhile lapha emasotsheni ema-barracks ngekuhlukahlukana nesive siyafika nanaso noma bangasiwe masotsha kepha bangene bathole kusitakala nesive ukuthi ke nanenta imisebenzi lenjengalena lemihle live libone ukuthi emasotsha akasiko titha kepha emasotsha abantu lakabasupportako esikhathini sonke emasotsha.
A healthy military is the guarantor of a healthy nation. We expect that all soldiers will stay healthy, and we are impressed by the reports of the clinics that you have in the various barracks. And we have been reliably informed that these clinics and health centers have been made accessible not just only to the military, but also to the people out there in the different communities. We are therefore happy that you continue to provide this service. And indeed, the community must not see soldiers as enemies, but they must look up to you as those that provide safety for them in their communities.
Masotsha si thokotela kakhulu umsebenzi wonke wekunibona masotsha namuhla lilanga lekutoniketa tfolocina masotsha ukuthi nani njengoba niyibambile live lisemva kwenu lanisekela kuyo yonke emaplan nawo konke leninako wekukhulisa yona impi ikhule ibe esigabeni sekuthi ikhule ibe njengempi njengoba wonke umhlaba nawufika militarily uyakhula uthi nani level tangisekela lento tonke tinhlelo leninato ukuthi leto tinhlelo leto tisekeleke nenhlala kahle konke usekeleke ngesigaba lesifanele masonja.
Soldiers, this being your day, we are here to assure you and give you the guarantee that the nation stands firmly behind you. We are here to support you in all your endeavors and programs as Namasocha. Today, we therefore want to say to you, we are going to support you in whatever programs that you may have to ensure that as a military, you grow in leaps and bounds, to ensure that the programs you have are going to be prosperous, including your own welfare where you are stationed.
Masocha sibonga nako konke netetfulo lentetfulile elangeni lanamuhla na yonke ma drills nakufisa ukuthi lilanga lemasocha lichubeke libe lihle kakhulu masocha.
We want to acknowledge and thank you for the beautiful drills that we have seen today, and it is our hope that this day will continue to be a marvelous one as we continue with it.
Masocha bangibikele le labanibukile lapha emasocheni esigabeni sekutheni njobe masocha lamanye ayakhula lamanye afikelwa isigaba sekuthi awumdali so ba bese enzaweni lapho khona wonke ayawugcine afike khona bese kusala kufika tikhala ke masocha letibonakala ukuthi tifanele tigcwaliswe leto tikhala masocha.
I have been reliably informed by those that are looking after you that in the course of your work, it has clearly been possible to see that some of you, through retirement or natural attrition, have left the service, and as such, left some vacancies open that need to be filled and occupied.
Kuleso sigaba ke masocha bangibikele ukuthi bo Brigadier General First Star bathathu labathi ngaku ukuthi bavaleke ekhaleni namuhla ke kutawuthathwa bo Colonel lebe bavele babo Colonel labatawuthathwa labatawusuka kubabo Colonel bese baba bo Brigadier General First Star yabang David Magongo Hope Vilakati na Phahlane Dlamini.
I have been informed in this regard that we have some colonel that need to be promoted to certain positions of Brigadier General in the First Star, and these are the following: David Magongo, Hopi Vilagati, and Phahlane Dlamini to the position of Brigadier General from Colonel.
Nabobo Brigadier General First Star lababusisiwe namuhla se babusisiwe nabo basebenze ngekuthembeka naNkulunkulu ababusise emsebenzini.
These are the Brigadier Generals First Star who have now been introduced and blessed. We wish them well in their service, that they execute them with all honesty.
Labanye ke masocha labangibikele bona kube bo Major General usho ukuthi labatawu busiswa ke ngilabasuka sothi bo Major General laba First Star to Second Star kusho ukuthi bo tawuthathwa bo Brigadier General labatawu bese baya thathwa ke baba bo Major general kusho ukuthi labo ke kutaba ngisotsha Dlamini kube ngichimba Shongwe kube nguThabo Luhlanga.
In the next category, we have those of the Major General, moving from first star to second star, from Brigadier General to Major General. And these who are blessed today are Socha Dlamini, Chimpa Shongwe, and Thabo Luhlanga.
Se babusisiwe lababo Major General ku second star sifisa ukuthi basebenze kahle ngekuthembeka uNkulunkulu ababusisi.
These are the Major Generals who have been promoted from first star to second star, who are now blessed. We wish them well. May God bless them in their duties to work faithfully.
Bekugcina masotsha la batawubusiswa kutaba bo Lieutenant General kusuka ku second star baye ku 3 star labo ke masotsha batawuthathwa beba bo Major General lapho basuka khona kutaba nguNqanawe naLasco.
The last category that we are handling now is those Lieutenant Generals from second star to third star.
So it's Nqanawe Dlamini na Lusushwana Lasco.
These are moving from Major General to Lieutenant General, and these are Nqanawe Dlamini and Lusushwana Colonel Lasco.
Se babusisiwe boNqanawe naLasco ku Lieutenant General ku 3 star ukuthi baqhubeke basebenze ngekuthembeka uNkulunkulu ababusisi.
These are now your Lieutenant Generals promoted to third star. Who are now blessed, and we wish them well as they execute their duties to work faithfully and with honesty. May God bless them.
Masotsha bekungaba mnandi ukuqhubeka ngimemedela kepha ke konke kuyawuba nemalanga la tawuphinze nawo njalo futhi abe khona konke singede sakucetha ilanga linye uthi neminyaka elotako solo nawo ukhona uyawuphinze kubukwe nakuleso sikhathi masotsha.
It would definitely be pleasing to continue to call out more ranks and more promotions. However, we shall hold them for now, as we shall have other opportunities at some other opportunities, including the following years as we come to see you.
Kulesigaba sesiqhubeka sifisela masotsha langa lelihle nesive sonke sithokote ngekubona umsebenzi wemasotsha njengoba namhla atokhomba umsebenzi necapability yabo ukuthi lapho nabasebenza basebenta kanjani live litoba natho logcina lilale ngekuthula bonalise ukuthi emasotsha akithi noma ngasimo lesinjani capable kuyawufikela sive nemsebenzi netakhiwo nako konke lokukhona even masotsha.
We wish now to see the proceedings of the day going ahead in a peaceful and blessed way. As we going to see the work that you are going to be displaying today, you are going to be showcasing the capabilities and skills that you have. And we are assured that in what you're going to be doing, you will be giving the nation the guarantee and the assurance that you have the required and requisite skills to do the work that is expected of you in protecting the nation, infrastructure, and the welfare of the people.
Siyabonga uNkulunkulu asibusise sonke bekunene.
I thank you. May the God Almighty bless us all.
Wena waphakathi
Bayithe, wena waphakathi. Nkosi.
sikudusa sakithi siyadlala sangamaphokela mswazi umnyama kwabalithulu imamba la ngibavile bahitela phela shaka bathi ungagodola nengabe unaphana ngihana makhumeni abonini waphatha inyonta semampondweni tahlata